Welcome, young adventurers, to the fascinating world of water transportation. Imagine a vast expanse of shimmering blue, stretching as far as the eye can see, filled with endless possibilities for exploration and adventure. Water transportation is the key that unlocks this realm, allowing us to traverse oceans, rivers, lakes, and beyond. Now let's talk about submarine. It's like a secret agent of the sea. Picture a giant metal tube that can swim underwater, just like a fish, but with a bunch of sailors inside instead of fishies. Now, why do we have these underwater wonders? Well, imagine you're on a treasure hunt, but instead of gold coins, you're looking for hidden secrets beneath the waves. Submarines are like underwater detectives, exploring the deep blue sea and uncovering all sorts of cool stuff, like shipwrecks, mysterious sea creatures, and even sunken cities. But wait, there's more. Did you know that submarines can dive deeper than a superhero plunging into action? Yep. Some of these bad boys can go down to depths where the sun's rays can't even reach. It's like exploring a whole new world down there, filled with glowing fish, colorful coral reefs, and maybe even a sneaky sea monster or two. So, the next time you're dreaming of ocean adventures, just remember submarines are like underwater magic carpets, ready to whisk you away on the coolest journey of your life. Let me tell you about the grandest floating palace of them all, the mighty cruise ship. Picture a giant floating hotel, but way more fun and filled with more excitement than a barrel of monkeys on roller skates. So, what's the deal with these colossal sea beasts? Well, imagine you're on a magical journey to explore far-off lands, but instead of flying on a dragon, you're sailing on a ship that's bigger than a castle. Cruise ships are like floating cities, complete with restaurants serving up yummy treats, pools where you can splash around like mermaids and mermen, and even theaters where you can watch shows that'll make your jaw drop faster than a cannonball. But wait, there's more. Did you know that some cruise ships are so huge they have their own zip lines, rock climbing walls, and even ice skating rinks on board? It's like having a theme park that floats on water. Talk about the ultimate adventure. So, if you ever dream of setting sail on the high seas, just remember cruise ships are like magic kingdoms on water, waiting to whisk you away on the vacation of a lifetime. Hoist the sails and let the adventure begin. Alright, little thrill seekers, let me rev up your imagination and tell you about the coolest ride on the waves, the jet ski. Imagine a sleek, speedy water rocket that's as wild as a bucking bronco but way more fun. So, what's the deal with these aquatic rockets? Well, imagine you're riding a dolphin, but instead of fins, you've got handlebars and a throttle. Jet skis are like magic carpets for the water, zipping and zooming across the waves faster than a seagull chasing French fries. But hold on to your swim trunks, because here's the real kicker. Did you know that jet skis can do tricks that'll make your hair stand on end faster than a tsunami warning? Yep, you can jump waves, spin like a top, and even ride on one wheel like a surfing superhero. It's like being a daredevil dolphin, flapping and splashing in the ocean spray. So, the next time you dream of ocean adventures, just remember jet skis are like turbocharged dolphins, ready to whisk you away on the ride of your life. So grab your life jacket and hold on tight, it's time to make some waves. Now let me tell you about the grandest vessel to grace the high seas, the majestic yacht. Picture a floating palace fit for kings and queens, but with more luxury and glamour than a treasure chest overflowing with jewels. So, what's the scoop on these opulent ocean chariots? Well, imagine you're on a royal voyage, but instead of a horse-drawn carriage, you're sailing on a ship that's sleeker than a dolphin's dive and as elegant as a swan gliding on a tranquil lake. Yachts are like floating mansions, with plush cabins, gourmet kitchens, and decks where you can lounge like a sun-kissed superstar. But wait, there's more. Did you know that some yachts are so fancy? They have their own helipads, swimming pools, and even mini submarines? Yep, you can soar through the skies, take a dip in crystal clear waters, and explore the ocean depths without ever leaving your floating paradise. So, if you ever dream of living the high life on the open seas, just remember yachts are like luxury islands on water, ready to whisk you away on a voyage of pure indulgence and adventure. So raise the anchor and set sail for a world of wonder and excitement. Let's dive into the exciting world of kayaking. Picture yourself sitting low in a sleek boat, with a double-bladed paddle in hand, ready to conquer the waterways like a modern-day explorer. Kayaks are like the stealth fighters of the sea, perfect for gliding through narrow channels, exploring hidden coves, and tackling thrilling whitewater rapids. So, what's the scoop on kayaking? Imagine yourself paddling through crystal clear waters, surrounded by towering cliffs or lush forests. It's like a nature safari, with every stroke of your paddle revealing new wonders beneath the surface. But here's the real thrill: kayaks can take you places other boats can't reach. You can navigate through shallow streams, weave through mangrove forests, and even sneak up on wildlife without disturbing them. It's like being a silent ninja of the water, slipping through the scenery with ease. So, the next time you're craving adventure, grab your paddle, hop in a kayak, and set off on a journey to remember. Whether you're seeking serene solitude or heart-pounding excitement, a kayak is your ticket to aquatic exploration like no other. As we conclude our journey through the fascinating world of water transportation, I hope you've been inspired to embark on your own aquatic adventures. From the serene tranquility of kayaking on a calm lake to the exhilarating thrill of cruising aboard a mighty ship, there's a watercraft and a destination for every adventurer. So, until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep sailing the seas of imagination. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks a ton for watching. If you had fun, a little click on the like button would be like icing on the cake. And hey, why not subscribe? You'll get more videos to tickle your funny bone. See you in the next one.